Good morning. Today we are going to do our art activity. As you know, today is Wednesday. Today the date is 22nd of April. That is also a celebration day for Mother Earth. All over the world, 22nd of April is celebrated as Earth Day. So today's activity is Earth Day special. The materials that we require for the activity are as such. Let's have a look at the materials that we require for the activity. One small plate, newspaper, marker pen, thread, scissors, crayons, origami sheet, or if you don't have origami sheet, any white paper will do, and sellotape. Now let's take the newspaper in this shape and preferably take the portion where there are less of pictures. Now we are going to make a circle with the help of the plate. As you all know that Earth is round. So take a marker pen and stencil out like this. If the child is able to make the stencil, let him or her try. Otherwise, parents can trace the circle out with the help of the plate. Now let's pick it up and have a look. See, a perfect circle is ready, and this is our Earth. Now, with the marker pen, we are going to draw some portion of land. So, to make land, we will take out a green crayon and start coloring. Now listen very carefully. When you color in one direction, alright? And before you color anything, just make a border out of it. Just like this, make a border. It is an indication for you to color inside the line that you have created, and you will not come out. Alright, I have made a border. Now we start coloring in one direction. If you want to go standing line, you go standing line. If you want to go sleeping line, you go sleeping line. Alright, so that your coloring comes very neat. I'm coloring. I'm going to finish this part. This is my land, green color. And the rest of the part over here and this one, you are going to color green. After we have finished coloring green, this has become our land on Earth. Now the rest of the portion over here is water, so we are going to take the color blue and make the water. Same as before, you color it in one direction. Alright, whatever direction suits you, you just color it and just press it little harder so that color comes more on the newspaper. You're going to finish all of it till here. Now my Earth is ready. Green is the land and blue is the water. We need scissors for cutting it. Scissors are very sharp, so the child is not going to cut. Parents are going to cut the stencil out. If you have a child-friendly scissor at home, then let the child cut it, but please be there to guide him or her. Let's start cutting the stencil. Be very careful. We want the border, the black outline, okay? Slowly cut it across. Now after cutting the stencil out, our Earth is ready like this. To decorate it more, we are going to need red paper because I need to make a heart. I love my Mother Earth, so I have drawn a heart over here and you need to cut it. Alright, when you cut it, you get a heart ready like this. I have already made it ready for you. But if you do not have red color origami sheet, take a white paper and draw a heart on it. And then same way, let the child color red in color. After it's red, you take it out and then make a stencil of it. Both the sides you're supposed to color with red. After the child finishes up, it's ready to be pasted onto the earth. Now our earth and heart both are ready. For a nice hug, I have made this out of newspaper by folding the strip like this. These are going to be like hands. If you want, you can color the hands yellow in color, or otherwise you can just fold it and put it. On the opposite side, over here, we are going to put the sellotape. Stick it like this, both the hands. So that we give a hug to our Mother Earth. Now, they become the hands. In the center, take another piece of sellotape. Put it behind your heart. And stick it like this. This is going to be your final product, and I have colored one more for you. Over here, the difference is that I made yellow hands. If you want it to hang, you can do is make a loop out of a thread, so that if you have somewhere a place where you can hang your earth stencil, just make a loop like this with the help of the sellotape. Stick it and your hanging is ready. Alright, this is our Earth Day craft. So I am going to put it here on my entrance door as a symbol of love for my Mother Earth. You can do the same, and all the KG teachers wish you happy Earth Day, and we all KG teachers are waiting for you to make your own Earth Day craft and send us the photographs and videos. Be safe. Take care.